So what is a kernel? So a kernel is a computer program that is the core of the computer's operating system, which with complete control over everything in the system. So when a kernel, essentially the Linux kernel, it serves as an intermediary software between the hardware and the user's application. So if you have the users, how the users are interacting with the hardware. So there needs to be an intermediary software that acts, right, as a translator, something that translates what the user wants to do as they give commands or as they issue commands to how the hardware is supposed to respond. So Linus created this Linux software, right? And this kernel, it basically manages files, it manages processes, right? It manages inputs and outputs. It manages the memory and also devices. Devices are just anything that is integrated with your Linux system. So the kernel is an intermediary software that will manage all that, okay? Manage all that. Now, when you look at, that's an example of how a Linux system, right, could be like, we have your hardware. Now, the users, you can have your applications, right? Then we can have your GNU libraries, because the kernel or the operating system is going to run on these libraries or these packages, right? So we'll have the user applications, but then we have the kernel. The kernel will do all the system calls, right? It will do all the integration. It will do all the integration between what the applications, all right, the commands that are being issued from the applications to what the hardware is supposed to act like or behave like. So this is what is called the GNU Linux. It combines the GNU libraries and the kernel, okay? The kernel that makes a Linux, right? So the important thing about Linux is it's the Linux kernel, and that was created again by Linus, 1991.